is expected to be given tomorrow by the 7-judge bench of the Court of Appeal. Remember, this has taken about 2 or 3 months for the judges to come to this decision, and therefore they will give their judgment tomorrow at the Supreme Court buildings, where only 16 lawyers representing both sides, 8 from each, will attend the open court ruling tomorrow morning at the Supreme Court buildings. But remember that particular appeal case will be given in regards to the High Court ruling, and some of the contentious issues that were raised in the High Court was the basic structure of the Constitution. And of course, the High Court determined that it can only be amended through a public initiative, and that through the exercise of a primary constituent power of the people, and of course, end of court in that particular matter. And of course, some of the contentious issues, or rather the High Court also raised that for this exercise to take place, 4 key issues have to be taken into account, including civic education, public participation, convening a constituent assembly, and of course that will lead to a referendum. Now, several key issues were raised in the BBI appeal, and that of course the High Court determined that the bill was not initiated by normal Mwananchi, and it was therefore initiated by President Uhuru Kenyatta. It also established that the BBI task force was an unlawful entity rather, and therefore the case also involved several appellants, in this case the IEBC, and of course several issues were raised in that matter, including the quorum of IEBC. And of course the IEBC currently has 3 commissioners, and therefore the IEBC argued that a higher court, or rather the High Court, had given it the green light to move on with its structures. And now, of course, the BBI appeal outcome goes 2 ways in 2 particular matters. It can either can be passed to continue, or rather given the green light to continue with the referendum, or otherwise rejected at all. And of course, now, and to paint rather a picture of what to expect tomorrow from the bench, lawyer Ndegwa Njiru joins us live via Skype.